Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a 16-inch blade capacity jet table saw. This particular model is 220 440 volt, 7.5 horsepower. It currently has a 14-inch blade in it, which gives you 4-inch depth and cutting capacity. Does have a 53-inch fence on it. You are going to get, you do have the original miter gauge, dado insert. You also are going to get a Penn State Industries overhead blade guard. There's that 7.5 horsepower motor. They did have a hole cut in the back because they were collecting dust out the back of this unit. Original table inserts. It does raise and lower as it should. It's a nice quiet running saw. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.